What happened if your job could take you to?
London, bro.
London, bro.
London, bro.
What is brother?
Brother? You're my brother.
Oh, I'm your brother.
Brother.
From another mother.
From another mother. Yeah. Whoop.
Resort right now. I'm gonna miss this place so much. It was so beautiful here. I'm gonna miss you. I'll be back, I promise.
Pumping the limo, Jackie boy?
Yeah, I'm actually so fired up.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Is that right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Limousine action. David, you pumped, bro? You gotta do it right, bro. Oh yeah. Entrepreneurial lifestyle. Oh yeah. Little action, baby. Little action. Oh fuck yeah. Try the style, boys and girls. Yoo-hoo.
So sure, I love it.
Welcome to F1 Man, amigos. How's it going, amigo? Lefty, huh? Welcome home.
Hey, what's happening, guys? If you made it this far, congratulations. That means my editing skills are slightly above average. You know, that was just 2.5 years of my life since I became a digital online entrepreneur. And it's amazing, guys. And I've said this before, I'll say it again. I've been able to live more in the last 2.5 years of my life than the entire 27 years combined. And that's saying a lot, if you guys couldn't tell for the video. I think back now and I kind of reflect. I've done so many things. I've got to meet so many amazing people, and I've got to live life on my own terms every single day simply because I run an online business. I'm able to do what I want when I want. I'm able to make a decent amount of income, and I don't have to ask for time off. You know, I'm able to utilize my time to either teach people or to travel or just simply to do what I love. And that's something that a lot of people don't get in this world, which makes me so passionate about what I do. Now, guys, if you've never spoken with me before on a video call, or you've never seen a webinar or anything like that, you should probably take this time to reach out to me. And I would love to break everything down for you. I'm only looking for driven, motivated individuals. The last thing I want is to put my time, energy into having to give up or quit within a short period of time. So, you know, if you're the kind of person that is, you know, you're tired of your situation, or maybe you're just a hustler and you want to make some extra side income, please get at me, send me a message. I'd love to hear your story, get to know you a little bit, see if you're a good fit for my team. So hopefully this is a good end of the video. I didn't know what else to put in there. So hell yeah, guys. Hope you guys are living the dream. Remember, live free or die.